Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your external drive. This is my drive C, which is currently running Windows 11 Pro. This is my drive S, which is an SSD, which is currently running Windows 11 Pro N for workstation. And this is my external drive A. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your external drive. Now what we need for this installation is our Windows 11 installation file and Rufus. So download the Windows 11 installation ISO file from this video description, and also download the Rufus as well. Now open Rufus and then click on Show Advanced Properties. Click on List USB hard drives. So you can see over here our external drive has been selected. Now drag our Windows 11 ISO file and drop it right here. Now click on Image option and select Windows to go from the drop down. Now rename the volume label if you want, so let's just call this Windows 11. Now click on Start and then select the Windows 11 version you want to install. OK. Yes. OK. So it will format and then install Windows 11 on this drive. Now this will take some time, so allow it to run and then boot from your external hard disk.
From here, select your external drive with UEFI prefix and press Enter to boot.
So basically, this is how to install Windows 11 on your external hard disk. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.